tutorial. Hello and welcome to the new video. Alright, in today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to perform a factory reset on Windows 11 PC. So if your PC is sluggish, won't work as it used to, like when you first installed it and stuff like that, you for sure want to do a factory reset or fresh install. But since a lot of you guys don't know how to do fresh or clean install, this is the easiest way to factory reset your Windows 11 operating system. So let's jump into it. So what do we want to do? On the Windows button, go to this shutdown your PC. So right click on this, press Shift key, so Shift, and click on the mouse to restart. Okay, since I'm using virtual machine, it will be pretty much the same on your PC or laptop. You will get to advanced options. So in here you want to go to troubleshoot and go with reset this PC. Okay, in here you have two options, so either keep my files or remove everything. If you select keep your files, it will remove applications and settings, but it will keep your personal files. And in this remove everything, it will, just as it said, remove everything. So we're going to go in remove everything. Alright, so in this second window, you again have two options. So cloud download, it will download fresh ISO from Microsoft website. It says here cloud download can use more than 4 GB of data. So be sure that you have at least 10 GB free space on your hard drive or SSD. And you have local reinstall. In here we can go to local reinstall. Now we're getting things ready. If you are keeping your PC, just as it said, you will check just remove my files, and there is an option to fully clean the drive. If you want to sell your PC or laptop or whatever, you can check fully clean the drive. In here we are going to just click just to remove my files. Okay, again it will ask you, are you sure that you want to do that? So this cannot be undone. Make sure your device is plugged in. This might take a while. By the official Windows website, Microsoft website, this could go long up to 2 or 3 hours. My option is always do a fresh install from USB stick, but a lot of you guys don't know how to do that, so this is pretty much the most easiest option. So reset this PC, so click on the reset. And now wait, be patient, don't turn off your PC, don't restart it, it will do everything by itself. Just like that. Now what is left? Initial configuration for the Windows 11. So country region, United States. Input keyboard method, US. Do you want to add second layout? No, skip. Now it is checking for updates. Alright, so license agreement, you can read it. I don't know if many people read this. Alright, so accept. Device name, course Chichinjo. Next. Alright, how would you like to set up this device? Personal use. Next. Okay, you don't want to add your Microsoft account. If you want it to be local machine, local user, you must disable your internet connection. For me, it's a click of a button. Since this is virtual machine, I would go into devices, go to network and go connect network adapter. I will disable that and I can use local user account. For you, it will be disconnecting it from wireless or unplugging Ethernet cable. So again, set up for personal use. Next. And as you can see, who's going to use this device? Me. Click next. If you want to enter password, enter a password. If you don't, you don't. Click next. Alright, privacy settings. I like to turn all of this stuff off. And click accept. Alright, hi. We are setting up things for, no, getting things right for you. Dot. Alright, and that's it. We have factory resetted Windows 11. This is it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe on the channel. If you need any help with your Windows, just DM me on Instagram. And if you want to donate, there is a donor box link down there in the description. And until the next time, peace.